Hello friends, welcome to the Crypto News channel. We will cover the latest news about Bitcoin, Ethereum and other digital currencies. Today we will provide an update about Ethereum. Market participants responded positively to the upgrade from ShangHai. Several friends also asked about my views on Ethereum. Currently, with the stacking system, the reward generated is 95% less than when using purport. However, these conditions can help Ethereum become deflated. This is very positive for Ethereum. A few days ago, when the upgrade was done, it was an opportunity to prove that Ether can be melted and withdrawn. This can help investors earn profits or buy goods using Ether coins. This upgrade can also be a positive sentiment and help support other coins. Bitcoin price correction and minus occurred after the rebound. However, it is still uncertain whether this will enter the old seasons. We expect the Bitcoin price to drop even further now that the Ethereum price is on the rise. The next potential Ethereum price area that can be visited is around 2,402, which is an important level of price movement on January 25, 2022. To reach this level, the Ethereum price must be able to close above 2030 on Friday. If the price of Ethereum manages to break through this resistance, the market sentiment will be positive. Yesterday we talked about Ethereum. As long as Ethereum hasn't broken this zone, there is still a possibility to apply it. Today morning, the price has increased significantly to reach $2,100. That is, the old structure may need to be removed to make the chart clearer. I will add this area as the previous high-level area, and now the new high is in the current price range, which is around $2,130 or $2,126. The movement between swing high and swing low has its own structure. Let's pay attention to the process, where the price forms a lower high lower low sequence. The last low has not experienced a breakdown from that level. I will use this area as the lowest area, while the high area is HS point. This was the point where the sellers started to push the price down, so it eventually went down and broke the low that was formed around $2,080. If the price continues to fall, this support area can become resistance. From the structure on the small time frame, we haven't seen any signs that buyers are more dominant. However, if there is good reversal progress or a chart pattern is formed such as inverse head and shoulders or a double bottom, then this can be used as a long entry setup. We can take advantage of smaller time frames like 5 minutes to consider this setup. The potential target is 1 to 2.5. This is an example that each time frame can be used for trading, from 5 minutes to 1 day. There is always a setup that can be done. There are several setups that can be executed, but in essence you have to understand where your trading position is. For example, if you are trading on a 5-minute time frame, that means we have to pay attention to our position so we don't overtrade. We are only looking for price movements in a relatively short time and take advantage of the momentum from smaller time frames. However, if friends tend to prefer swing trading, maybe because there are activities or other activities that are disturbing, I prefer to take advantage of the 1-hour or 15-minute time frame. I use a 15-minute time frame to look for entry setups and a 1-hour time frame to see the overall price structure. For example, if I see that buyers are still dominant on the 1-hour time frame, then I only look for a reversal process for entries in long positions on the 15-minute time frame. I hope this explanation is clear enough. For Ethereum, the probability of reaching the 2,400 level is still open. All depends on today's closing. If today's close can hold above $20-30, it will be an attractive indication to go long. However, for entries, you can determine it yourself based on the time frame you use. This is only based on my experience, not a trading signal. I only share about how I use certain presentations or time frames for trading. Now we will discuss about Bitcoin. Keep in mind that the ascending triangle is a pretty positive indication that Bitcoin could break out of the $28,500 area. After a successful breakout, the next potential target is $32,000. It's not that far to get to. However, if Bitcoin fails to reach that level and stays within its current range, this could be an interesting opportunity for old coins to perform well. So, that's all I can share for now. If you want to do analysis based on momentum, such as oscillators or relative strength index, you can check whether there is a divergence formed on the daily time frame. I've updated price movements in my previous video, but it failed to upload. So, I think this is tonight's review. Earlier we anticipated the potential for a head and shoulders pattern to form and saw a divergence on the 1-hour time frame, where the price reached a new high but the signal given indicated a newly formed low level. This is a disadvantage for momentum positions pay Bitcoin sets, and the same is seen in the stochastic, which also created new lows. However, this situation may present a new demand as there are people willing to buy Bitcoin at a discount or after a correction. We can't say for sure whether a reversal will occur or not, but if the price is formed as a bullish thump and reaches a higher low, then this could be an interesting setup for a long entry on Bitcoin. However, keep in mind that market momentum can change on weekends and when the market is low on follow tails, so we should remain vigilant.